Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you, dear children?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good,
Thank you,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Fine, ma'am.
I'll be waiting for more participants. 4 minutes for them. Okay, some are joining. Just recollect all the points what we learned in the last class. All of you.
And we learned the weather.
Weather and
Weather and seasons.
Seasons and weather.
About weather and seasons.
Weather and seasons.
And I want to tell you one thing. Mute your audio. All of you mute your audio. Then, whenever I ask question, don't answer all together at a time, right? Then, your voice will disturb the class. So, I will call your name. That time you can unmute your audio and speak out. Is it clear, dear children?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Okay. In the last class, what we discussed? Madhav, can you tell me what we learned the last class?
Climate and weather.
Climate we didn't
No,
learn.
season
Climate.
and weather.
I'm asking to Madhav.
Season and weather.
We discussed what is weather and what is season, right?
What causes seasons?
Then what causes
Season. Revolution causes.
Revolution causes
Evolution. Season.
Then I'll call you. That time you can speak to me. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about weather. We learned definition of weather. We learned what is weather. Right? Weather is a daily condition of the atmosphere of a place. It keeps changing every day depending on temperature, rainfall, wind, and humidity. Next, we discussed what is season. Season is a cyclical change in the weather condition over the period of a year are called seasons. 3 important seasons are there in India: summer, winter, and monsoon. Some part of India experience spring and autumn. I hope till this it's clear. Felix, unmute your audio and speak. Felix, unmute your audio. Felix, unmute your audio and speak. Felix not respond, no response. Felix.
Yes, ma'am.
Felix, okay. Felix, what cause seasons?
Revolution.
Revolution cause season. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Then, Rohit, unmute your audio and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit, what is
Yes, ma'am.
revolution?
The earth spins around the sun is
Yes.
called revolution.
Revolution. Very good. Earth is moving around the sun. It is called revolution. Very good. Thank you, dear. Then, this revolution causes seasons, right? Then, how it happens? That we were explaining the last class. Yes, we just started, right? Okay. Earth is revolving around the sun, right? Earth is revolving around the sun. While revolving around the sun, hello dear children, I hope you can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Then, we all know, we have learned equator divide the earth into 2 equal parts, right? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Equator equator divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This part is clear, right? This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Equator divide the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Keep this point in your mind. Don't forget this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Ma'am.
okay.
Then, while revolving around the sun, the earth is revolving around the sun. Revolving means moving around the sun. While revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun or face the sun, turn towards the sun.
Northern
One
hemisphere.
hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere.
One hemisphere. Clear?
One
One hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun.
Northern hemisphere.
Then that hemisphere receives more sunlight and become very hot.
Or it causes summer season.
Become very hot means that hemisphere experience summer season.
Summer season.
While revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the earth. Tilted towards means turn towards the earth. Sorry, turn towards the sun. Not towards the earth.
the sun.
Yes. One hemisphere. Okay.
The sun.
Then, which hemisphere turns towards or is tilted towards the sun? That hemisphere receives more sunlight, become very hot and experience summer.
Summer season.
Season. Other season
That one
experience winter.
One hemisphere. What will happen to the other hemisphere? Other hemisphere is
Winter.
sun. Other hemisphere is away from the sun and receive very little sunlight and experience winter. Other hemisphere is away from the sun, receive very little sunlight and experience winter. This way, summer and winter happen in both hemispheres. This way, summer and winter happens or occurs in two hemispheres. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can see.
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. Then,
You can see it.
this is the sun. This is our sun. Earth is moving around the sun. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving around the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
One hemisphere of the earth. For example, this northern hemisphere. When this northern hemisphere,
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I
when
can
the
see you writing.
northern hemisphere, wait. When this northern hemisphere turns towards the sun or tilted towards the sun, this hemisphere receive more sunlight. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
the
ma'am.
northern hemisphere is
Yes,
tilted towards the sun, northern hemisphere receive more sunlight from the sun and become very hot, experience summer season.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then southern hemisphere is away from the sun, receive very little sunlight and experience
Winter.
More winter. Winter. Winter.
Winter.
Winter.
This is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am.
yes, dear. Yes. Who called me, ma'am? Who called me?
Ma'am. Daniel.
Yes, Daniel.
Ma'am, it's not clear.
What it is not clear?
You are talking, it's not clear.
Dia, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not clear, Daniel.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm explaining how summer season and winter season happens. You know, the equator divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Keep this point in your mind. Okay. Then, next one, what do you have to keep in your mind? Revolution. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. That means the earth is revolving around the sun. The earth is revolving around the sun. It is called revolution. Right? Then come to our point. While revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun. And that hemisphere receive more sunlight and become very hot. That hemisphere, which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? That hemisphere receive more sunlight and becomes very hot and experience summer. Other hemisphere is away from the sun and receives very little sunlight and experience winter. I hope it's clear to everyone. I'll be asking some questions. Ananta. Ananta KK, unmute your audio and speak. Ananta.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain how does summer season occurs? How does
Ma'am,
summer season happen?
Ma'am, I was late to come in.
I was late to come in.
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you, dear?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Then that means you didn't listen what I said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to explain? Again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'll explain once. All of you listen. I'm repeating the same for you. All of you listen here. You know, Ananta, you know what is revolution? Unmute your audio and answer quickly. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then the equator divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. You know it, right? Okay.
Yes,
Keep
ma'am.
these 2 points in your mind. Okay, then listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Earth is revolving around the sun, right? While revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the earth or turned towards the earth. That hemisphere receives more sunlight and becomes hot and experience summer season. You got it? Yes or no? Yes or no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good. I'll come to you later. I'll ask you definitely. I will call Richard. Richard, unmute your audio and speak. How does summer season happen? How does summer season? Unmute your audio, Richard. Unmute your audio and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak.
When the northern hemisphere tilted toward the sun,
Yes.
the sun receives direct.
Not sun. Sun is giving light, right?
Sun receives
Not sun. That hemisphere receives.
Hemisphere receives more sunlight.
Yes. Then what
The-
will happen?
That hemisphere
Yes.
occurs summer season.
That hemisphere experience summer
Summer
season.
season.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Dear. Then Harsha. Harsha, unmute your audio and explain how the summer season occurs or happens.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsha.
Ma'am, summer season occurs when the Earth's one hemisphere is faced towards the sun,
Yes.
and that season will be summer.
When one hemisphere is tilted or turned towards the sun, what will happen? One side
That
faces the
hemisphere.
sun, right? One
Yes.
side of the earth faces the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
Other side is away from the sun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that side receive more sunlight.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what will happen in that hemisphere?
That's
Receive more sunlight means, what is the meaning of the
that
receive more
hemisphere
sunlight
will
means?
that hemisphere will receive experience summer season.
Yeah, hemisphere will experience summer season. Very good. Angelina, unmute your audio. How does
Yes,
summer
ma'am.
season happens?
Ma'am, when the earth
Revolving.
revolving, the one part of the earth,
One hemisphere of the earth. Okay, that way you can say.
one hemisphere it turned to the sun, so that hemisphere gets more sunlight.
Yes.
And that hemisphere will be summer season and another will be winter.
Very good, very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then Anina. Anina, listen here. Anina, you looks very sad. What happened? Are you crying? Are you crying, Anina? Anina, unmute your audio. Anina, explain. How does summer happen? Summer season happens in one hemisphere.
When sun is near the
Mm.
one hemisphere, it causes summer season.
Dear, how does sun come closer to one hemisphere? Dear, can you explain it? Anina, where are you looking, Anina? Are you listening the class? Anina, I'll come to you. Listen this. Ananta, can you explain? Unmute your audio and explain. How the summer
Yes,
season
ma'am.
happens in one hemisphere.
Ma'am, the earth's one side is tilted to the sun.
Tilted towards the sun, right? Yes,
Tilted towards the sun.
yes.
So, which hemisphere is
hemisphere.
tilted?
Yes,
That
yes.
hemisphere experience more sunlight and they will have summer season, and other hemisphere have winter season.
Okay, good. Thank you, dear. Then, Anina, I'll come to you later. Okay. Chris, can you explain, Chris? Unmute your audio and explain how does summer season happens quickly.
Ma'am?
Anina, not Anina, Chris. Chris, unmute your audio. Yes.
Ma'am, can you say the question?
How does summer season happen? Same. All are saying the same answer. Repeat it.
Ma'am, when one side of the hemisphere is tilted,
Not one side of the hemisphere. One side of the earth is called hemisphere, right? So what do you have to say?
yes,
One hemisphere of the earth.
when one hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it
Yes.
receives more sunlight than the other hemisphere.
Yes.
So it experiences summer season.
Very good, Chris. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Tania. Tania, unmute your audio. How does summer season happens in one hemisphere? How does summer occurs? Tania. Yes, yes. Quickly. Tania. Tania is not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Answer quickly.
And what's the question?
Yes. The same answer they are giving. Richard and Angelina, there's Chris, and then all said the answer, right? Then you can. I'll come to you. I'll come to you later. Be ready with answer. Okay. Gautam. Gautam, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute your audio and speak. Yes.
One
How the
side
summer
of
season occurs?
one hemisphere of the earth is
Yes.
tilted towards the sun,
Yes.
receives more sunlight,
Very good.
so that hemisphere receives summer season,
Yes.
and other hemisphere
It's okay. It's okay. My question is, how does summer season occur? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. My next question is, Fia. Fia, unmute your audio and speak. How does winter season occur?
Winter season?
Yes.
Uh,
You can tell
when,
me.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When the other hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, so both hemispheres receive equal amount of heat and light.
Sorry, dear. My question is, how does winter season occur? They all explain how does summer season happens, right? When one hemisphere tilted towards the earth, that hemisphere experience summer season, the other one experience winter. Why the other one experience winter? Because it is not tilted towards earth, it is away from the earth, right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right, Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The other one is away from the earth, away from the sun, right? When one hemisphere is see this is the earth, sun, right? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. The one hemisphere, for example, northern hemisphere tilt towards the sun, northern hemisphere experience more sunlight. Southern hemisphere is away from the sun and experience winter, right? Which hemisphere face the sun, receive more sunlight and experience summer? Which hemisphere is away from the sun, receive less sunlight and experience winter? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fia, explain how does winter season happen?
The other hemisphere of the earth is tilted away from the sunlight and receives the little heat and light. So the other hemisphere will experience winter.
You have to explain like this: while revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun. Other one is away from the sun and receive less sunlight. Very little sunlight, right? And experience winter. Can you say like this? While revolving around the sun, one hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun. The other hemisphere is away from the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
Which hemisphere is away from the sun? That hemisphere receive very little sunlight and experience winter. Clear? Clear? Pia, can you explain how does winter occurs? Winter season happens. Yes. Anantesh? Anantesh, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Anantesh, tell me, how does summer and winter happen? How does summer happens first? Summer season happens.
When one part of the hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, that hemisphere experiences summer.
Yes. Then how does winter season occurs?
When one part is tilted towards the sun, the other part experiences winter.
One part is tilted towards the sun, other is away from the sun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Say like that.
That part experiences winter.
Yeah, that part.
The hemisphere that is away from the sun
Yes.
gets experience winter.
Very good, very good. You understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do we get summer and winter season? All of you got the answer for this question? Isha, you got answer for this question? How do we get summer and winter season?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain?
While Earth is revolving around the sun,
Yes.
one hemisphere will receive more sunlight.
Yes.
That hemisphere will get summer season.
Yes.
The other hemisphere, which is not receiving as much sunlight as the
Yes.
other hemisphere,
Receive.
that part will receive winter season.
Very good. Ammu. Explain, Ammu. Unmute your audio and speak. Yes, Ammu. How do we experience summer and winter season? Or how do occurs, winter and summer occurs?
When one hemisphere is tilted towards the sun,
Yes.
that hemisphere experience summer.
Yes, very good.
The hemisphere that is tilted away from the sun experience
Not
winter.
tilted. It is not tilting. It's away. Don't use the word again tilted, right? The hemisphere which is away from the sun. Continue.
The hemisphere which is away from the sun
Yes.
experience winter.
Yes. And why does it experience winter? Because it is not receiving much sunlight, right? More sunlight. Very little sunlight.
That hemisphere is only receiving little sunlight.
Yes. Very good, very good. Okay. I think this is clear to all of you, my dear children, right? Raise your hand if it is clear. Thorough with this, raise your hand. Yes. Just raise 2 hands. Okay. Yes, very good, very good. Thank you. Then we can move to the next one. Then first concept is clear. Then only we can move to the next one. Otherwise, you'll be confused with both this. Next is sometimes. Sometimes. Sometimes mean in March and September. March 21 and September 23rd. That period. Don't think about the month. Okay. In this year, you don't have to study about which month it happens. Just understand. In sometimes, neither hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Sometimes, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere not tilted towards the sun. Clear? If it is clear, raise your hand. Sometimes, northern hemisphere, yes, hands down. Sometimes, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere not tilted towards the sun. Then, sunrise fall directly on the equator. Sunrise fall directly on the equator. Clear? Sunrise fall directly on the equator. Then what will happen? Both sides receive equal amount of heat and light from the sun. two hemispheres will be happy because both are getting equal amount of heat and light. Clear? Both will be very happy. Why? Why both are happy? Because both are receiving equal amount of heat and light from the sun. Clear? But it happens sometimes. Sometimes neither hemisphere are tilted towards the sun. So both hemispheres experience or receive equal amount of heat and light. Clear? If it is clear, raise your hand. If you understood what I said, raise your hand. Okay. Sometimes neither hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So both hemispheres receive equal amount of heat and light. Is it clear, my dear children?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Both hemispheres will be very happy.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
And so, while it's a solar eclipse, both the hemispheres